Hello everyone and welcome to Friday. In today's maths lesson, we are going to look at the number 24. I have here 24 dots. My question is, can you make 24 into an array? Well, the first thing I know about arrays is that they're going to need to be straight lines, both downwards and sideways. So, I might start by putting 4 dots down. So that tells me that I'm going to have 4 groups or 4 glasses. In my head, I'm pretty sure this will work because I know a little something about the number 24. So when you choose how many groups, try and choose a number that you think, yeah, I'll probably still have an equal number of items in each group. And if not, we'll use trial and error and have a go. Maybe I'll start with, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because that's a little something I know about the number 24. Okay. Now, let me look at my array and make sure, firstly, that all of my lines are straight. So it's easy to count. And easy to tell that I have an equal number of items in each group, because that is very important with multiplication. Okay, I think I just made an array. I have 4 groups, and in each group I definitely have 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that would look like this. I have 6 groups. I have 4 in each group. So 6 groups of 4 is equal to 24. Sorry about that wonky too. I might have to do that again. 24. Okay, that was pretty easy. I want you to do it again. That was one array that I made, but there's more arrays that I could do that look different. Anybody remember what we did yesterday? That's right. If I know that 6 groups of 4 is 24, then I know that I could swap these two numbers around. That 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I must have done that wrong in the last question. I should have had the 4 on the bottom. Oh, let me fix that. You see, teachers make mistakes all the time. I've realized I've just made the mistake. And even though I could stop this video and start it again, I want to show you that I make mistakes. And I'm just now going to go back because I've had to think about it. The question for this, I'll do it on this side, should have been 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. 4 groups of 6. I think I did it the wrong way. Is the same as 24. Phew. And now what I was saying before is that if I turn this around, I can also see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. 6 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is also the same as 24, which is what we did yesterday. So now I know, I might write my tally down here. I know that 4 groups of 6 makes 24, and I know that 6 groups of 4 makes 24. That's the same. 6 groups of 4, 4 groups of 6. Now, I'd like to challenge myself to find another array. Now, I had a hunch about 4 and 6 making groups into 24. I don't know. Maybe I'll try 7. I'll do a bit of trial and error. I might put my board this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I think probably there will be 3 in each group. So I'll just put 3 in each group. Hold on a minute. They all have 3 now, but I've actually got 3 left over. And I can't, if I do that, then these 3 groups will have 4 and these groups will have 3, and that cannot happen in multiplication. We need equal groups. So I guess 7 won't work. I wonder if 8 will work. 8. I'll try 2 in each group. 2. Oh, hold on. I've got heaps left over now. I wonder if I could make 3 in each group. Oh, now, once I fix this array that's looking very wonky. Okay. I think that works. 8 groups with 1, 2, 3 in each group. Yep, each group has 3. It's very easy to see because my array is straight. So this will look like, hopefully I take my time this time and don't make a mistake. I have 8 groups of 1, 2, 3. 3 in each group, which is the same as 24. Interesting. Now, hopefully you're already thinking, Mrs. Purcell, I know another array that's very easy to find. Just turn your board. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. So 3 groups this time, which is the same as, 3 groups of 8 in each group is the same as 24. So 3 groups of 8 or 8 groups of 3. Whoop. Doing it all the way around. I'm going to rub those 2 out so my board doesn't look too messy and put it down here with my others. 8, 3 groups of 8 or 8 groups of 3. Can I make any other arrays? I think I can. What about one line? I don't know if these will all fit. They're not going to fit. Well, can you imagine they were all on the edge? What would my array be? 1 group of 12. And then if I turned it around, it would be 12 groups of 1. I might even write that down. Because I can't fit it on, I'll just go straight to writing it down. 1 group of, oopsie, I might just line that up a bit better. 1 group of 12 or 12 groups of 1. So you absolutely can do a line like that. And there's more. I'm going to leave it there because I'd like to explain to you your next activity. And I'm going to go straight into that now. The activity looks like this. But instead of your number being 24, your number is 12. This activity says to do it with counters. You probably don't have counters at home, so instead, go grab a pencil or a zoom. It doesn't have to be coloured, but it can be. I'm going to use my whiteboard to lean on. And it says, make as many different arrays as you can with 12 counters. Record your arrays on the grid. I'm going to do one with you. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'll fill in my array, and because I've got grid paper here, they're very, very straight. There we go, I've just made one array. I'm going to change colours now, and do my next array. Just do it next to it. If you change colours, then you can do it right next to it or right underneath it. And if you don't change colours, can you please leave a gap so I can see where one array starts and the other ends? You should be able to find more than 4 arrays. I'm not going to tell you how many there are, but I want more than 4 arrays drawn on your grid. Write stories about 4 of your arrays. This is like what we did yesterday where you wrote a story about your array. So if this was the first array you do, you might say, I have 3 fruit bowls and 4 pieces of fruit in each bowl. And then down here, write a story for each array below. And you can do the same here, but think about the pictures they've used. This one has butterflies and this one has flowers. So your story should be about butterflies and your story should be about flowers. Now, if you can print this, please print it and write on it and take a photo and put it on Seesaw. If you can't print it, then you can complete it on Seesaw. Over here, use the text box to type in your answer. And here, just use your finger to draw dots into the squares. I hope that's all clear and makes sense. Have fun!